Welcome back to part 2 of my deep dive into how I turn raw, messy footage into polished UGC clips that actually get views. If you saw part 1, you know the filming setup, but I need to clear up the most common question I get about my process. Yes, my unboxing footage, that wall shot, and the product usage clips were all captured from one single continuous recording. And for those asking about the makeup shots, those were actually reused across 4 different videos shot over just a couple of hours. I have a specific trick for reusing footage like that, which I'll share later. But let's get into the actual editing workflow first. I used to do everything manually in InShot, spending 20 minutes on every single clip just cutting out the boring parts. You know the routine: scrubbing through, isolating the highlights, and stitching it all together until it finally flows well. My goal is always the same: keep it tight, punchy, and under 30 seconds to maximize retention. Lately though, I've been using Vizard to speed up that process, and honestly, it completely changes the game for me. Instead of dragging and deleting for 20 minutes, I upload the raw file and let the AI find the moments that will perform. Vizard's auto-edit viral clips feature scans the long footage for reactions, punchlines, and peaks to suggest ready-to-post edits. It usually nails the draft on the first try, but I still like to watch it and nudge the rhythm to match my style. What used to be a 20-minute manual grind is now just a few minutes of fine-tuning the beat and timing. My typical flow now is uploading that single long file, checking the default cuts, and trashing the soft ones. If I have multiple takes, like those makeup clips, I import all the files and let Vizard rank the best performances for me. Instead of comparing 4 videos manually, I get a ranked list of clips that are already trimmed to the moments that matter. Music selection used to be a huge headache, usually involving screen recording TikTok sounds and importing them. Now I just paste a TikTok link directly into Vizard or upload the sound file, and it handles the heavy lifting. The platform even keeps an audio library so I can save and reuse those sounds later without scrambling to find them. I make sure to name my files with the song title so I never have to re-screen record or hunt for audio again. When it comes to syncing, I love to cut on the beats, which makes the video feel intentional rather than machine-made. Vizard helps with beat maps, but I still like to manually add freeze frames or jump cuts to give it that final creative polish. One major pro tip: always make a draft copy of your project before you start heavy editing. I duplicate the draft so I can cross-post the same creative with different audio or slightly different cuts for each platform. This duplicate keeps all my markers and captions, so swapping a song for a platform-specific version takes seconds. I export everything at 1080p 30 frames per second, which is perfect for most short-form platforms right now. I keep the project saved in Vizard so I can pull it back up later if I need to adjust the schedule or repurpose the content. Scheduling used to be such a manual chore: exporting, opening every app, and retyping captions every single time. Vizard's auto-schedule feature handles that now, queuing clips and publishing them exactly when my audience is active. The content calendar is beautiful because it lets me preview upcoming posts and drag and drop them to reschedule instantly. Managing a week of UGC is so much easier when you can visually see exactly what is going live and when. Some people ask why I don't just use Premiere, and honestly, it's just overkill for short-form clips. Vizard hits the sweet spot between automation and control, whereas other tools usually demand way too much manual work. I still use CapCut for fancy transitions and Premiere for advanced audio mixing, but that's for specific needs. It's not about replacing every tool. It's about using the right tool at the right moment to get the job done. No matter what tool you use, always name your files clearly, like unboxing wall use take 1 to stay organized. And always do a final pass to remove those tiny micro pauses and mouth clicks that make a video feel amateur. Those tiny edits are exactly what elevate a clip from okay to scroll stopping. This workflow is faster and less frustrating, letting me focus on big ideas instead of endless trimming. If you are converting long videos into a stream of shorts, This will save you hours of work each week. It doesn't replace your creative choice, it just removes the repetitive work so you can actually be creative. Next time, I'll show you the exact toggles I use inside Vizard to nudge a cut on the beat perfectly. For now, go capture some footage, upload it as one clip, and let the tool find the gold. You will be genuinely surprised by how much time you save once you get this process dialed in.